Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So children, in our previous class we have learned the comparing numbers. Now next we are going to learn international system of numerations. So take out page number 15 in your math readers. Let's see international system of numerations. We have already seen the way we name numbers in the Indian system, right? And also how we write numbers with their periods using commas. In our previous class we have learned how to put the commas. So any 5-digit number, the place value being 10,000 in both the systems, in the Indian system also, in the international system also. Up to 5 digit, the place value of the numbers are same in both the systems. For example, see, here we have an example. We have the number 87,654. How we are reading this? The number 87,654. The number we are reading is same in both the system. In Indian system also we are reading this as 87,000 only. In the international system also we read it as 87,654. We will read in both the system as it is same. But the numbers with more than 5 digit, up to 5 it is same, but after 5 digit, the number more than 5 digit are named and written differently. After 5 digit, the next digits will read as the different in the different ways. In the Indian system of numeration, the first period is the ones period. Starting 3 periods we are reading as ones period, which consists of 3 place values, that is ones, tens and 100. The remaining periods to the left of the ones period have 2 digits each. After 3 numbers, first we are putting comma after 3 digits now, then 2 digits. Then the next, those 2 digits in the Indian system is 6 digit number is written as or read as 7,87,654 with the commas, as you can see here, as you can see in your reader clearly, right? And this number is read as 7,87,654. In the international system, the same number in the international system, the same number is written or read as the number having 2 periods. In the international system, we are having the 2 periods of 3 digits. The first period of 3 digits represent the ones period in the system, and also the comma is inserted after the 3 digits from the right side. After that, all the periods in the international system are the 3 digits only. In our Indian system, we are putting comma first after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, then again after 2 digits. But in the international system, first we are putting comma after 3 digits, then we'll put the comma after 3 digits only, right? So this is the difference between the Indian system and the international system. After that, all the periods in the international system are of 3 digits only. The above number is read as, here we having the number now, turn this page, see, here we having the numbers. The number is read as 787,654. It is not 7 lakh as in the Indian system, but in the international system we read it as 7,870,000. From the ones period, the second period of 3 digits represent the thousands, and the next 3 digits represent the millions. Then after that, further period represents the billions and so on. Each period in the international system consists of 3 place values. Remember this, in each period in the international system consists of the 3 place values. Okay, I hope you are understand. Thank you.